Welcome to our video demonstration of the Food.com Recipes and Reviews project. Our application is a website that supports various functionalities for the user to search, insert, delete, and update data from an easy-to-navigate user interface. The recipes dataset includes more than 500,000 recipes, each containing information like nutrition, ingredients, instructions, and more. We also have a reviews dataset containing about 1.5 million reviews from around 300,000 different users, providing information about the author, rating, review text, and more.
From this page, we can first try to search for recipes by keyword. So let's try to enter blueberry, and we can choose from the options of searching. We can limit 50 rows, order by calories, in ascending order, and hit submit. So below are the results of our search. And from this page, we can also look at the top recipes. So these are the trending recipes with high ratings and a lot of reviews. And from the search recipe page, we can choose to search by author instead. So you should enter a name instead of food name. So if you don't know which author to search for, you can look at the top authors. So these are the top authors with a large number of recipes and a high average rating. And we can choose to search for one of these top authors. So for example, we can search for Sweets Lady. Let's go to search recipe, search by author instead, and enter the name and hit submit. And so these are all the recipes written by Sweets Lady. And let's try to view the detail of the first one. So these are the detailed information of this recipe. And on the right, we can try to change the values of the attributes. So for example, let's try to change the servings to 1. Enter 1 and hit update on the bottom. And let's return to recipe, and we can see that the servings has been changed to 1. Let's also look at the reviews of this recipe. There are a bunch of reviews for it, and let's try to view the details of the first one. And on the right, you can also change the values of this review. For example, let's change the rating to 4, and let's delete some words in the text. And hit update and return to recipe, and then look at the reviews. You can see that we have changed the first review. Let's also try to delete the first review and then return to reviews. We can see that the review that we have changed has been deleted. And let's also try to delete this recipe. To do this, we have to go to search by author and search for this author again. And let's hit the delete on the right of this recipe. And then we try to search for this author again. Now we see that the homemade yellow cake has been deleted.
In order to insert a recipe, you have to first register yourself by clicking here. So input your name right here, and the system will give you a user ID. So go to insert recipe, put the recipe's name here, and then paste the recipe. Paste your author ID here. These two fields are required, whereas the other ones are optional, but we'll just put something there. Scroll all the way down to submit this. Then we can search for this recipe, and we'll be able to see this. We can also add a review, since we don't have anything right now. So we click add review, and you use this slider bar to adjust your rating, put your user ID here, and write a review. We can submit this and return to reviews. Then we'll see this new review.
This is the end of our video demonstration. Thank you for watching.